Hi, I'm Jason Kruzovich.
And I'm Hamad Guman.
And we are Project Hunt. We're very happy to be part of the AT&T Civic App Challenge. This is something that originated with the aspects or process of trying to organize the civic portion of the Civic App Challenge. So trying to get the government and nonprofit community engaged in identifying really meaningful projects that the hackers for the AT&T Civic App Challenge could work on.
And I had an example project that involved developing an app for sharing ideas for the greater good. And one of the challenges that I was running into is finding developers to actually execute on the idea.
Similarly, last year I launched a startup called Get4, and it's a social startup trying to connect nonprofits and businesses. And as part of this, I had a real challenge of developing a team of individuals looking to really work on the project. And so I think something like Project Hunt would have been a great resource for me to put the idea out there and see what level of interest that I get amongst collaborators to potentially work on the project. So what we wanted to do is try to bring both the people who have the meaningful problems and the people who could potentially solve those problems together.
We started noticing that the problem actually applies to more than just one or two user groups. The student community, as well as the business community, startups, nonprofits. It can go as far as governments, as well as developing countries. At many levels, you see users who have great ideas that they would love to develop, that would have some kind of benefit either for their organization or at a broader level. But they do not have the resources to actually develop those.
So these groups of individuals who can execute on projects may include classes, programs like the RPI Center for Open Source Software, the Change the World Challenge, students and professionals looking to develop a portfolio, and others. And so the goal of Project Hunt is really to engage both of these communities in a conversation. Project Hunt helps connect hackers, makers, designers, hustlers, and students with projects that matters.
Initially, we've launched an MVP version of Project Hunt, and the About page will give you an overview of the various user groups that we believe can provide the project ideas. So anyone can come in and simply post a project, and currently the posting process is fairly straightforward.
The platform enables social login, meaning it's easy for people to get in, log in, and post a project very quickly. It also enables filtering so that you can upvote the projects that you like, and we hope that feature will allow you to see very quickly the projects that are going to have a meaningful difference and then have an engaged community around them. For the deployment, we've built this on top of Meteor, and specifically an open source project called Telescope. Telescope enables us to very easily integrate with Apache Cordova, which generates mobile applications for really just about every platform. For the first app, we entered an Android application, and we hope to, by the end of the judging period, to also have an iPhone application launched. Thank you very much for your feedback and support. We hope that Project Hunt can be a resource for the community and something that a number of hackathons and others can use to find meaningful projects to work on.
Thank you.
Post your projects that matter and refer others who have projects that matter or looking for projects to us. Thank you.